So let us have the solution of yesterday's assignment. Before that, I will just like to clarify some queries. Ananya Swami, she was asking me, sir, do we need to do this in fair notebook? So I have already told that no need to do the questions of assignment, especially whatever I am giving to you in your fair notebooks. These notes you can prepare somewhere else. Either you prepare a separate notebook or in sheets also. So that is from examination point of view, and the purpose of revision is main to add to your knowledge some extra questions. And after getting the solution, you can just evaluate yourself whether you understood the topic or not. That is the purpose. Then another, my sincere thanks for the appreciation to Priyanshi, Sapna Mehta and Bandana, that they are finding these all lectures very useful. So I appreciate your and gratitude from your side. So you are always most welcome. So let us have the solution of our yesterday's assignment. 5 questions were given to you. Here is the first question. I am reading the question. The question was, the measure of two adjacent angles of a quadrilateral are 105 and 45 degree. So you can draw any quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Adjacent you can take in any way. Adjacent angles like this and this, this and this, this and this, or this and this, whatever you want. I have taken A and B. So A and B are the two adjacent angles, and measure of 2 is given 105 and 45. And other two angles are given equal. That is C and D are given equal to each other, and you need to find these two equal angles. So if this is 105, this is 105, you can mark these two x and use the quadrilateral sum angle property to get the value of x. You will be getting it equal to 105. So answer C and D is equal to 105. Please check whether your answer is correct or not. In second question, you were given with a quadrilateral, and the question just to answer the 4 parts were there. That is a pair of opposite sides. First question, a pair of adjacent sides was the first part. So pair of adjacent sides you can find when two sides having the common end point. One point is common between the two sides. Those two anyway you can take as the adjacent sides. As I have taken AB and BC. You can take BC and CD also, CD and D also, whatever. A pair means you have to answer any one pair. So I have written here AB and BC are the adjacent sides. So two sides with one common vertex are said to be the adjacent sides. Please make a note of that. Don't try to cram the things. But do you need the adjacent sides? That must be clear to you all. Then second part was you have to write a pair of opposite sides. You all are familiar with that. Any pair you can pick, either AB is equal to CD or BC is equal to AD. Whatever you want. I have written AB and CD or BC and AD both for you. Then next was again a pair of adjacent angles. Now I hope you all are clear with that. Adjacent B and C can be adjacent, C and D can be adjacent, D and A can be adjacent, A and B can be adjacent. So whatever you want, I have taken angle D and angle A. So CDA and DAB both are the adjacent angles. And then opposite angles. So opposite UC, C and A are opposite, B and D are opposite. So such kind of question just to check your basic knowledge, whether you are clear with the definition of adjacent and opposite. So that is the purpose of adding such questions to your assignments. I hope you will be taking all these instructions seriously, and please try to have the thorough knowledge of the topic. Then question 3 was, the sum of the two angles of a quadrilateral is 150 and the other two angles are in the ratio 2:3. So you know you need to find all the 4 angles. When you need to find all the 4 angles, most of the time the question is based upon the quadrilateral sum angle property, and you know the sum of the 4 angles 1, 2, 3, 4 of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now follow the condition. There are 4 angles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Out of 4, the sum of 2 angles, suppose I am taking 1 and 2, is given equal to 150 degree. Other 2 angles are given in the ratio of 2:3. So you assume that ratio in x. So your third angle will be 2x and fourth angle will be 3x. So first angle, second angle, third angle, fourth angle will sum equal to 360 degree, and 1 and 2 it is given to you. So not from my own side I am adding 1 and 2, sum of any two angles, 1 and 2 suppose I am taking 150, other two are in the ratio of 2:3, so 2 plus 3, 5x. From here you can calculate the value of x, that comes somewhere is equal to, here it is 42. So then you can put the value of third angle and fourth angle here. 2x, 2 into 42 will give you 84 and 3 into 42 will give you 126. So other two angles which are in the ratio of 2:3 will be 84 and 126 respectively. Then question number 4. In question number 4 you are given with a parallelogram. So please write the information very clearly just in the beginning of your answer that ABCD is a parallelogram in which the ratio of the sides of a parallelogram is given in the ratio of 3:5. So one pair you can take adjacent AB and BC. The ratio is 3:5. So let the ratio be in X. In very first step you mention it. So you know AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD are the opposite sides. So if this you have taken in X, so this will be your 3x and this will be your 5x. So opposite sides are equal, so this will also be 3x and this will also be 5x. So make it very clear. So AB is equal to CD is equal to 3x and AD is equal to BC is equal to 5x. Now you know perimeter is given in your question, that you mentioned there also. In given you can write perimeter is also given, that is equal to 48. And what is the perimeter of any polygon? That is the sum of its all sides. So here 4 sides are there, write all the 4 sides, 3x, 5x, 3x, 5x and 48. From here you can calculate the value of x and then put the value of x in these respective sides. 3 into 3, 9. So if this is 9, this is also 9. So AB and CD each will be 9. And this is 5 into 3, 15, this is 15, this is also 15. So it is equal to BC, 5 into 3, each side will be equal to 15 centimeter. And you can see 9 and 15 makes is equal to what? 40. So 24, sorry. So 24 means if you will add these, so AB plus CD, all the sum you will check, that will come equal to 48. That is the perimeter of your parallelogram. So you can cross check the answer even. So then your last question 5 was, now again you are given with a parallelogram ABCD. So write that information in which the pair of adjacent angles are given in the ratio of 4:5. So please mention that your ratio of the adjacent, now I have taken B and C. You can take A and B, you can take A and D, you can take D and C. Feel free to do that, whatever you want, but you must be clear with the pair of adjacent angles. That is the purpose only. So I have taken B and C and I have taken the ratio is in X. So B is equal to 4x, C is equal to 5x. Now I know the adjacent angles of a parallelogram, these are also called the co-interior angles. Their sum is always equal to 180 degree. So use this property, write the value 4x plus 5x, calculate the value of x and put it back in B and C. So what will be? B is equal to 4 into 20, 80 degree. And C is equal to 5 into 20, 100 degree. So now B is equal to 80, C is equal to 100. Adjacent I have got. Now I know that B is equal to D and C is equal to A. Why? Because opposite angles of the parallelogram are also equal. So B is equal to D is equal to 80 degree each and A is equal to C is equal to 100 degree each. All these are the 4 angles of the parallelogram now I have got, in which B and D are equal and A and C are equal, and the property already I have mentioned there, that is the opposite sides of the parallelogram. So that's all about your assignment which was given to you yesterday. So please go through that. One more assignment I will be adding to your knowledge from the quadrilaterals, and then I will proceed towards the square root by the prime factorization method. So keep on doing the practices, and then after giving you the next assignment I will be adding one more test from the quadrilaterals point of view. Then we will proceed towards the square root. Thank you. Have a nice time.